everyone, and it's another great day again today for another Q&A. And the question for today is, what are the basic Thai phrases or Thai words that I need to know to use in the classroom? Hi guys, Agi here.
And it's me, Ivan.
And welcome to Agi's ESL Diary. And in today's video, we're going to teach you 10 basic Thai phrases or words that you need to know when teaching in the classroom here in Thailand. But before we get into that, let me just explain how the Thai language is. So the Thai language is a tonal language, meaning that if you change the tone of a word, it changes the whole thing. So, for example, K-A-O, cow.
Cow.
Yes, it's pronounced in 6 different ways and all have different meanings. So let's take for example the word mountain.
Cow.
Cow. Yes, mountain. White.
White. Cow.
White is
Cow.
cow. Enter.
Enter. Cow.
Rice.
Cow. What? Cow.
9.
Cow.
News.
Cow.
So be careful in trying to speak Thai because changing the tone of the word changes everything. So it changes the whole meaning of the word. I actually sometimes also interchange them and I use it with my students, and my students will laugh, but it's okay, you know, we make mistakes. And I also always tell them that it's okay to make mistakes in English. That's the fun part of learning. So are you ready to learn some Thai?
Yes.
And we're back! No. So number 1 you might read in the classroom is the word sit down. Sit down in Thai is...
Yeah.
Say what?
Sit down in Thai is...
Nang.
How does your teacher say that?
Nangลง แบบนี้ like this. นั่งลง
Oh, so she shout, Nang long! Or she doesn't shout?
Shout.
Oh, she shouts. Like, Nang long!
He's a boy now.
Oh, he's a man.
Yes.
He's a man. Okay.
Like this. นั่งลง
Like that?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go to number 2 is sit down. Sit down in Thai is...
นั่งลง
Oh. Number 2 is stand up. Stand up in Thai is...
ยืน
So how does your teacher say that?
ยืน
Point at you?
Every time point.
Pointing at you all the time?
Yes.
How about if he wants to say stand up everybody?
ทุกคนยืน
Oh, ทุกคนยืน
or นักเรียนทั้งหมดยืน
นักเรียนทั้งหมดยืน
Yes.
Okay. So นักเรียน is a student. ทั้งหมด is everybody. Number 3 is quiet please. Quiet
Quiet.
please.
เงียบ
เงียบ. And we go to number 4, which is write. Write their names. You say
เขียนชื่อ
เขียนชื่อ. Yeah. For the word write is เขียน.
ชื่อ
No. The word write is
เขียน
เขียน. ชื่อ is
name.
and let's go to the next one.
Number 3.
Oh, number 5 is sing a song. So you might want to do a song in the classroom and you want to ask them to sing. So sing a song is
ร้องเพลง
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 You need
Yes.
to pronounce the yes.
ร้องเพลง
ว้าthat
I like that. Okay. Anyway.
ร้องเพลง
Oh, wrong playing. Let's read.
อ่าน
An. Okay. Read is an. An.
อ่าน
And the next one is you want your student to come to you. So you say, come here. Come here is
มานี่
money. How about you go? Go.
I don't know
มานี่ไปไปไปไปไปไปไป มานี่มานี่มานี่มานี่มานี่มานี่ and when you're finished like that. Next is speak. So you want to say speak English, speak English.
Food.
Food. So when you want them to speak, you say food. Like that.
Oh no.
No? Oh, how you say it?
Food.
Food. Food. Number 9 is listen. So when they're not listening, you say listen. What's listen?
Fun.
Fang. Fang, fang. Okay, so listen, listen, fang, fang. And the last one is maybe you want them to draw.
What? Roop.
What? Roop. Okay, so what? Roop. What is draw? Roop is a picture. So what? Roop.
Draw
Yes.
picture.
Draw a picture. What? Roop. Right. And we have a bonus. One more you might want to use is the look, or you want them to look. Is
Do.
do. Yeah, it's the same word as do something. Do. Do means look. Look at the board. Do. There you have it. And if you have stayed until the end of this video, I would like to say thank you so much. And we have a shout out. Shout out to
Alexander Lahid.
Gian LKZ0108. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're having a good day, and thank you so much for supporting this channel, and I hope to see you again next time. So for those who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like this video, and comment on this video so that I will shout you out on my next video. So anything about Thai language, if you like this video, do you like to learn Thai language, or is Thai language difficult for you? Anything like that, and or if you have any questions you want me to answer on my next video, just leave it in the comment section, and I will shout you out on my next video. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and also thank you to all those who have subscribed to this channel. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you next time.
Bye.